So last night we pulled in 200 feet of coax cable, LMR-400, and 240 feet of control cable for the rotor. So today my goal is to kind of copy these, run it down the eaves and overhangs, down the brick wall, see what we get. So this is what I bought last time. So when I get to the brick, I can use these. You got them at Lowe's. These are the little brackets I'm using to secure the cable and the control cable. So I just wanted to show you this trick right here. So once you get it to this point, I just take a pair of channel locks and just kind of crimp it, and it'll snug it up, because these don't fit just exactly. So a little crimp from channel locks, good to go. So I'm going to come back, put some Brillo pad and something to seal this up. I'm not going to do it today because this is the Wi-Fi, and the guy's coming out tomorrow to change out this wire. And there's no sense in me doing something today. It's just going to get messed up in the morning. But I will seal up that soffit. And there's a picture of my 2-meter antenna. All right, so I finished. Probably took me about an hour. Wasn't that bad, actually. And now the fun part. We start to bury. We're going around this way to the fence, up the retaining wall, and then there's the pole. The other side is that perfect here. And the reason why I have it this way is because on this side of the fence, this side of the fence is HOA, that side of the fence is private property, and that's the G5RV. That's my a friend of mine owns this land. He has about 70 acres here, and he told me to do whatever I want. So my HOA is not happy that I'm doing this, but I am obeying all the HOA regulations. So next step. All right, so I laid it out. And at the base of the pole, I have 36 feet, which is more than enough. So everything's going smooth so far. Okay, I'm finished, and that took longer than 8 hours. So what happened was the control cable, which is rolled up right here, turned out fine. I got 42 feet left over. But the LMR-400, last night we were pulling it through the attic. I actually used the cable. I tied this control cable on it and pulled some into the attic and then back out through the attic and use it kind of like a pull string. And I left about 10 to 15 foot slack in the attic, and I forgot to pull it out before I started fixing it to the eaves and overhangs and then burying it. So I wanted this box to be higher, but there's probably 3 or 4 foot in that box. I just put the tip of this control cable in there just to keep it out of the weather. And then tomorrow, I got an internet change out and an air conditioner change out on the house, but I want to get this other pole. I got it ready to go. I'm going to mount it, and there you go. 240 feet. Goes down there through the gate, through the yard. You can see where I went up, and I did a video on that earlier. And we're done. Just in time to enjoy the sunset. Thank y'all.